Welcome back to another week on the Everyday Family Man vlog. We hope you enjoyed last week's special edition with the illustrious Mandy doing her big 40th birthday celebration. Please make sure to subscribe to make sure you can see all of our videos. And with that, let's get into this week. We start this week at the Sandy Pines flea market and pancake breakfast. Pancake breakfast first, and this is going to be a packed flea market because it is the 4th of July holiday celebration out at Sandy Pines today. It's Saturday. Always weird when 4th of July falls on a Wednesday or a Thursday. When do you actually do stuff? But we are going to hit the pancake breakfast first and then check out the massive flea market. All right, and here we are at the pancake breakfast.
Yay, pancakes! They're gigantic.
Okay, we think about what you want. You can have plain.
We have Captain Cool right here.
Say hi, Captain Cool.
Hi.
I'll take you up on that.
Okay. Enjoy them.
You can't make the guy with the blueberry pancakes wait.
That's right. They're done.
Oh yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy them.
You know what's serious? When they're mixing the pancake batter with the same thing that they use to mix paint when they're professionally painting something. Wow. Sausage. Good morning. Good morning.
Hey Dad, can you grab chocolate chip and I like it? Chocolate chip and I love it. Chocolate chip and I like it.
Blueberry and regular. Mix it up a little bit this time.
Oh yeah, I got blueberry and I got 4 sausages because Matt doesn't want his. So it is a good day.
I got blueberry and I like it. Even though I haven't had any of it, I know it's good because I've had it before. We have an impromptu performance by Beth the Magnificent.
Penny, nickel, dime, penny, penny, nickel, dime, penny, nickel, dime, penny, penny, nickel, quarter.
I don't know what that is, but it looks pretty cool.
So I found a rock hidden in a really great
A painted rock.
Yeah, so it was painted green and it was hidden here and I walked by it and then I just like saw something round in a tree with green leaves. So I looked right, there was a painted rock. And so, just for the laughs of it, I decided to climb a bit up the tree and place it in the crevice between that and the tree. So now you can only get it by either seeing it from right here, the other side, or randomly climbing up this tree for no apparent reason.
Pretty funny. We at first thought there was littering on the ground here, but then we realized it came from this tree. So look at this. It kind of looks like a whole bunch of crumpled up Kleenexes, but then look at the tree. And then there's these people. The quality is a little questionable, but...
Are we live?
Yeah.
Oh, this is my good side. Hi.
Well, you're live in the sense it'll be out next week. So they make cool stuff from old fences?
Yep.
Well, what's the thicker stuff from though?
Oh, that's just wood. It's not fence wood.
Just wood.
Just wood.
Wood.
Got wood, yes.
I see that now, Mike. We call that's wood. You may have seen it before on trees.
No, it actually has another name. I just call it wood.
I call it what? I like to go with the classic terminology.
You got to come up with something rare, like it's Singaporean butter maple.
I like the way you think. Yes, that's Singaporean butter maple.
And Uncle Brian's arrived.
Hey.
Almond bars, they're life-changing. Yay.
And I just gave up some of my clothing money to
Buy almonds.
buy candied, no, cashews. And Beth got a massive jawbreaker sucker. Is it good?
Another weekend down at Sandy Pines, and we're going tubing once again. Abby's riding with me. We sometimes have normal everyday conversations and the sun's really bright.
Okay, so it is officially summer, which is very clear by the very warm temperatures and the high humidity. As you saw, we got out on the boat this morning. It was really, really nice. There weren't too many people out, which was neat. The kids got to swim for a little bit, got to do a little tubing. It is absolutely crazy out there right now. We are very, very happy that we went when we went, and the pools and the beaches are all packed right now. Well, we came back here and we had lunch, and we've just been kind of chilling at the site since then, and we are getting ready, trying it again, making ribs again, and we are trying those. Let's see how they turned out. Time to get them unwrapped. Ready to unwrap them.
Right under it didn't water and it's dry.
Oh, look at that.
Well, Grandma also makes
Ooh.
That looks pretty delicious.
Oh,
Whoa, what?
just shy of 4 hours. There's best section. No barbecue sauce on that section.
Of course,
Are those ribs?
That like some delicious cooking there, sir. Looks like it's super juicy.
Looking
How do you
forward to
think
somebody.
it's gonna taste?
I don't know. I gotta have somebody who knows ribs do the initial taste test.
Oh, did you see?
Mandy is going to make the first taste because she is a connoisseur.
AKA, I love ribs.
Let's hope she doesn't taste it and be like, spit it out in the trash can. The facial expression is a little questionable.
It's good, very flavorful, nicely seasoned. Could use a little bit more barbecue sauce.
Oh, how convenient. We have more barbecue sauce.
What?
Right there.
Sweet.
It's not actually the 4th of July, but it's 4th of July here for doing the fireworks. And because we have a boat at a dock, we get to sit here and watch the fireworks. I'm sitting in the boat. I will give you my view. The fireworks go from this island right over here. Probably pretty close to the closest I've ever been to fireworks. All right, guys, what do you think?
We got snacks to last us long enough.
You got your little table there. What do you think up there?
You think it's good? Yeah. I'm excited. Yay.
There's the view. We'll get to watch them from right there.
Abby, you can't hold your phone out